It's the thought that counts. We all heard this sentence. We all said it. But is it true? Does the thought count for anything when giving a gift? Let's check the science of gifting. Several experiments were done to determine if and how the thought counts. How did they do that? They split people to gift givers and gift receivers. Some were strangers, some were close friends or family, some were distant friends or family. Givers were asked to give either thoughtful gifts or thoughtless gifts. They were asked questions about their feelings of connection to the receiver. They were asked about the gift cost. Receivers were asked how much they liked or disliked the gifts. They were asked about their feeling of connection to the giver. They were asked if they believe the givers gave any thought to the gift. A thought counts if the thought changes how much a gift is liked, or the thought changes how givers and receivers feel. 4 different experiments. Over 200 people. And the results are in. It turns out thoughts count, but in a very unusual way. You see, receivers care more about the gift than the process the giver went through. So as long as they get a liked gift, they don't count thoughts. But if they get a gift they don't like, then the thought counts. Receivers could not guess correctly if gifts were bought thoughtfully or thoughtlessly. When getting a liked gift, receivers feel more connected to the giver. When getting a disliked gift, receivers do not change the way they feel about the giver. The amount of thought givers gave to choosing a gift had no effect on whether the receiver liked the gift. The more thought the givers gave, the more they themselves felt connected to the receivers. Meaning if you choose a gift thoughtfully, you will feel more connected to the person you give the gift to. But they won't. Also, gift cost had no effect on liking or disliking a gift, so let us sum it up. Does the thought count? Only when it's a bad gift. If you put in more thought, it means nothing. No one will ever know you put in more thought, unless you mention it. Money has nothing to do with how much a gift is liked. If you want to be a better gift giver, subscribe. If you want to learn more about gifting, subscribe. If you want to get gift ideas that match specific personality types, visit our site.